What's up, guys, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, go down there and hit that subscribe button. Help us channel grow. It'd help us out tremendously. So we're going to be replacing some bars in the car, deck bars. Fix that and put a new tower on. These are pretty well bent up, so we're getting all this replaced and reset our deck slope. We got to keep our 3 inches from this point to this point, and it's flat from here to here, so we can run our 3-inch spoiler. So we'll get all that taken care of. Ran into a slight issue putting this bar in. It's a little bit longer and hitting my MSD box. I can't go down all the way here. I'm like just a tad from going all the way down, but I don't want it hitting this box, so we're gonna fix that real quick. Get the MSD box out. I'm gonna drill that side over there, and then I'll finish mounting this side. I got this all finished back up, fixed. Got this piece of deck made so far. Got the MSD box back in it. Both braces going across. The back brace is in and spoiler tires on. It's lunchtime, so I'm getting ready to eat. Oh yeah. Philly's cheesesteak. And then we'll get back on this some more. Chad is getting the front end put on his, and he's also got the roof about done. And all the decking is in it. It's kind of a table right now, but that's the update on his. It's coming along pretty good. That's going to do it for today's video. If y'all haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what you think. I got this piece put in and the cockpit area done. That's about it on mine. I got all the braces put in. Chad's over here finishing his hood. Gonna get it done. But he's got his doors and quarters there. And then he's just got to build a few odd and end pieces and get the motor back, and he should be ready to go to Volusia. Short and sweet video. Go down there and hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.